I'm Ava, and welcome to Korean Ladder, the audio first Korean lesson show for English speakers.
안녕하세요. 하나입니다. 오늘도 같이 자연스러운 한국어를 배워요.
안녕하세요. 준호입니다. 오늘은 친구 사이에서 쓰는 대명사를 차분히 연습해 보겠습니다.
Here's my problem. I learned
저는,
for I, but then Korean friends say,
나는.
and I hear na, but people warn me not to say it.
So when is it safe?
좋은 질문이에요. No is casual you, but it can sound too direct or rude if the relationship is not close.
Today's focus is switching from polite or humble pronouns to casual ones in 반말. 저 becomes 나, formal we, 저희 becomes 우리, and you can be 너 only in safe relationships.
Pattern name, casual pronouns in 반말. In English, think friendly mode, not polite mode.
So if I'm using banmal with a close friend,
저는,
can become,
나는.
맞아요. 저는 is polite or humble. 나는 is casual. The particle 는 stays the same, but the pronoun changes.
나는 학생이야. This is natural between close friends. It means I'm a student in casual style.
나는 학생이야.
that feels different from,
저는 학생이에요.
Exactly. The sentence ending also changes. 이에요 becomes 이야 when the style becomes casual.
Now, no. No is you in 반말, but only when the relationship allows it.
For example, 너는 학생이야 means you're a student. Casual. It can be friendly but not neutral.
너는 학생이야.
so this is not for my professor, my boss, or a new older coworker.
맞아요. For a professor or boss, avoid no. Use a title, a name with she, or restructure the sentence.
Also, Korean often drops pronouns when context is clear. You do not have to say 너 every time.
뭐해? Literally has no written you, but in a real conversation it means what are you doing?
That is good news. I can avoid the risky na by just saying,
뭐해?
with a close friend.
Now, 우리. 우리 means we or our, and it often marks an in-group feeling. Okay?
우리 친구야 means we're friends. It can also feel like we are in the same circle.
우리 친구야.
That sounds friendly and simple.
You will also hear 우리 엄마, 우리 학교, 우리 회사. In English, you may translate it as my mom, my school, or our company, depending on context.
Important. 우리 is not always a math word meaning multiple owners. It often means 배드그시트, the group I belong to.
So if I say 우리 엄마,
I'm not saying we all share one mom. It's more like my mom, with family belonging.
맞습니다. Now let's listen to a short casual dialogue between close friends. Notice 나, 너, and 우리.
나 오늘 좀 바빠.
그래? 너 내일은 시간 있어?
내일은 괜찮아.
그럼 우리 내일 만나자.
I heard na for I, for you, and
우리.
for let's do something together.
나 오늘 좀 바빠.
그래? 너 내일은 시간 있어?
내일은 괜찮아.
그럼 우리 내일 만나자.
좋아요. 나 오늘 좀 바빠 means I'm a little busy today. 나 is casual I.
너 내일은 시간 있어? It means, do you have time tomorrow? With close friends, 너 is okay. With others, skip 너 or use a title.
그럼 우리 내일 만나자 means then let's meet tomorrow. 우리 makes the togetherness clear.
Repeat after me time. I'll try the casual version.
나는 학생이야.
좋아요. One more time. Smooth and natural. 나는 학생이야.
나는 학생이야.
Good. Now try you have time in casual Korean. 너 시간 있어?
너 시간 있어.
완벽해요. If you are not sure no is safe, say 시간 있어? Instead, the meaning is still, do you have time?
Common mistake. I want to translate English you every time. Like,
너는 커피 마셔.
to everyone.
Right. 너는 커피 마셔? That is fine. Only with a close person in Banmal. To someone not close, it sounds too familiar.
A safer casual sentence with a friend is just 커피 마셔? The subject is understood.
So the fix is not always choose the right you. Sometimes the fix is don't say you.
Exactly. Korean is high context. If we know who we are talking about, pronouns often disappear.
Quick check. You are speaking Korean to an older coworker you just met. Which sentence is the safest?
I'm choosing B.
커피 드세요.
It avoids na and uses polite Korean.
Correct. A uses 너 and banmal to direct. C mixes casual 너 with polite 마셔요, which can sound awkward or rude. B is safe.
One more check. With a close same age friend, you want to say, let's meet tomorrow. Which sounds natural.
I think A.
우리 내일 만나자.
맞아요. B is polite and uses humble 저희. So it does not match close banmal. C uses 너, but 너 means you, not we together.
정리해 볼게요. 저 becomes 나 in casual speech. In English, when you move into banmal with a close person, humble I becomes casual I.
너는 가까운 사이에서만 안전해요. In English, 너 is not a general purpose you. Use it with close friends, children, or when banmal is clearly agreed. 다.
대명사는 자주 생략해요. In English, don't translate every English I or you. If context is clear, Korean can sound better without the pronoun.
우리 is more than literal our. In Korean, 우리 can show belonging. Like 우리 엄마, 우리 학교, 우리 회사.
Today's keeper sentence is
우리 내일 만나자.
it gives me
우리
plus a natural casual let's.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. 우리 내일 만나자. Use it with someone close.
다음 시간에는 casual question words like 뭐, 어디, 언제, and how they sound in real banmal conversation.
Thanks for climbing with us. Say it once before you go.
우리 내일 만나자.